Indian Pavilion at Expo 2020 Dubai. This is a historic expo. It is the first one to be held in the Middle East, Africa and South Asia region. India is participating with one of the largest pavilions in this expo. I'm sure the expo will go a long way in further building our deep and historical relations with UAE and with Dubai. Let me begin by conveying greetings on behalf of government and people of India to His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi. I would also like to convey hearty congratulations to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Prime Minister and Vice President of UAE and the ruler of Dubai. Let me also express my best wishes to my brother, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi. He has been instrumental in the progress we have achieved in our strategic partnership. I look forward to continuing our work for the progress and prosperity of both our countries. Friends, the main theme of Expo 2020 is connecting minds, creating the future. The spirit of this theme is also seen in India's efforts as we move ahead to create a new India. I would also like to congratulate the government of UAE for organizing the Expo 2020 in a splendid way. This expo is also testimony to the resilience of mankind against the once-in-a-century pandemic. Friends, the theme of India's pavilion is openness, opportunity and growth. Today's India is one of the most open countries in the world. Open to learning, open to perspectives, open to innovation, open to investment. That is why I invite you to come and invest in our nation. Today, India is a land of opportunities. Be it in the field of arts or commerce, industry or academia, there is opportunity to discover, opportunity to partner, opportunity to progress. Come to India and explore these opportunities. India also offers you maximum growth. Growth in scale, growth in ambition, growth in results. Come to India and be a part of our growth story. Friends, India is famous for its vibrancy and diversity. We have different cultures, languages, cuisines, forms of art, music and dance. This diversity is reflected in our pavilion. Similarly, India is a powerhouse of talent. Our country is making many advances in the world of technology, research and innovation. Our economic growth is powered by a combination of legacy industries and startups. India's pavilion will showcase the best of India across these multiple areas. It will also showcase investment opportunities in multiple sectors like health, textiles, infrastructure, services, and more. Over the last 7 years, the Government of India has undertaken several reforms to boost economic growth. We will keep doing more to continue this trend. Friends, as India celebrates 75 years of independence in the form of Amrit Mahotsav, we invite everyone to visit the India Pavilion and capitalize on the opportunities in the resurgent New India. Let us make the world a much better place to live with. सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास एंड सबका प्रयास. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
इंडिया टीवी हर वक्त हर जगह डाउनलोड करने के लिए सर्च करें इंडिया टीवी न्यूज गूगल प्ले स्टोर या ऐप स्टोर पर.